Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can delete your Kahoot account. So if you want to completely permanently delete your Kahoot account, then all you need to do is click on the Kahoot app just like this on your iPhone or Android. Then you're going to go in the top left corner of your screen right here and going to click in the top right corner of your screen right there on settings just like this. Now what you're going to do is you're going to click on profile settings right here. You're going to wait till it's loaded, it will take a little bit. And now we can scroll down until we can click on delete account. Now we're at this page right here and they're of course saying, are you sure you want to delete it? And we're just going to click on delete account. You can also select the reason why you want to delete the account. For example, I have another account and you can give feedback if you're getting an error with the app and that's why you want to delete your account. Then you can also click on cancel and your account deletion will be cancelled. But if you want to delete your account, simply click on delete account and delete account again. And what we're now going to see is right here, we're back at the login page. And if I now restart the app, we can see that my account is completely deleted. Because if I now go to my profile picture, I don't have anyone, I don't have my profile picture, I don't have my profile, and I need to sign up again. So that's how you can delete your Kahoot account. If you learned something from this video, I would highly appreciate it if you could like this video, subscribe to my channel. And I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.